broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ontario and the National Capital Region at 8:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Wednesday, August 7, 2013. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Watford, Pinery Park, Eastern Lambton County, and Sarnia, Petrolia, Western Lambton County. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for Sarnia, Petrolia, Western Lambton County, and Watford, Pinery Park, Eastern Lambton County. Environment Canada has issued a squall warning for southern Lake Huron at 8:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Wednesday, August 7, 2013. Environment Canada continues squall watch for Lake St. Clair, southern Lake Huron, and western Lake Erie at 8:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Wednesday, August 7, 2013.